Hi, in this video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set up a deals tab on your Facebook page to generate more leads and more fans. As you can see, I'm at my Facebook fan page timeline and you'll notice the icon there. It's Deals Demo Deal or Deals app. I'm going to click that and that takes me through to the admin section where I can see the deal, but I can also edit it. So I'm going to click the button here and edit this deal. Okay, the first step is setting up settings. You have the option to have a like gate on your deal, and that's advisable because that will get you more fans. So to do that, all we need to do is click yes, browse to find a deal gate graphic. I've got one here, and upload. So there's the graphic there. Please note it should be optimally 110 pixels wide. Sorry. All the settings have help tabs for you, so it's very hard to get stuck. Then we can name the deal. I've just called mine Demo Deal, but that's just for your reference. You can call it anything you like. Now we need to create some urgency, so we can set the maximum number of deals to issue, and once those deals have been redeemed, then the deal no longer becomes active. And this can be reset at any time, obviously. Again, there's help here, and a second case of urgency would be to set a deal end date, and this is great if you're running different deals from month to month, so you can just create a new deal and then set the end date for the end of the month you're currently running that deal for, and that will produce a countdown clock, which we'll see later. Another great feature is the share box settings. This will help your deal go viral, and you can type in the title text there. I've just typed "I just got a great deal" and some sharebox text. Check out this amazing deal app, and obviously a reference to your web page or fan page. And then we can upload a sharebox graphic. This is a 90 by 90 pixel graphic that will go along with your, this can be your brand image or your logo, or I've just uploaded a demo one here, Get a Great Deal. The next setting is a required setting by Facebook, and it's a terms of service and privacy policy text. We've pre-filled that for you with a standard one that works for us, but you can type in there your own personal one if you wish. It's a full WYSIWYG editor, and I'm sure you know how to use that. Next step is to decide what we want for the deal button text. So I've just typed in "I want this deal," or you could change that and go with "Give me the deal." Pretty much anything you want, but try not to make it too long, as it'll look a little bit unwieldy. So that's it for this first step. We'll now go on to step 2. Scroll back to the top. This is where we set up the main deal page. Again, just browse for a graphic. Remember to always upload it. Okay, you can remove it if you want. This graphic is the main deal graphic, so it should contain compelling copy to get your customers to take up your deal, and graphics and whatever you like. You can create it in a number of graphics editors, and again should be 810 pixels wide. We also have the option of putting in a YouTube video, so you just copy and paste the video you want from YouTube to be included on the deal page. This will also help with conversions. That's pretty straightforward. Next one is important. Again, there's help there. This is where you collect the name and email address of the people who want to take you up on your deal, and you can do this in two ways. You can use the standard email form that we provide, and the address that you want your lead sent to, and The from email is not so important. I just type mine in there again, but that will be populated by obviously the person who takes up your deal with their email address. Or alternatively, you can use custom code from your autoresponder, like Aweber or MailChimp or iContact or GetResponse. Paste the code in there, but please note that if you use that, then we won't be able to track click-through statistics, but obviously you'll be able to see from the number of sign-ups from your autoresponder back end. So we'll just set that to the standard one for the moment. And the last thing we need to do is upload a thank you page, or alternatively we can just redirect them to a URL. So again, I would I'd browse for a file, sorry. There's my thank you page. I'll open it and then upload. And that goes in there. Another option is to make that deal graphic clickable and then send them off to maybe your blog or a thank you page on your main site or wherever you like, really. So we'll go on to the final step, and here we get a preview of what the deal is going to look like. And again, here we can also switch the deal on or off. So I'm going to switch it on, and then we just save and update. And here we see the deal page in action. Obviously your browsers or users won't see this edit this deal, only admins see that button. So they'll just see here, here's the video which they can play. There's 99 deals remaining because I've been playing around with this. And call to action here, hurry, this deal ends in, and then here's your countdown clock. Here's one of the nice feature here, we can use the share, and then they can add their own comments. There's your graphic there, and I've just got a great deal, and that's the link back to your deals app. So we'll just cancel that, and then here's the give me a deal, and again here's where they sign up, here, and give you the deal, and here's the terms of service box here. So let's just see what happens when we click the give me the deal. I'm going to type my name in. I'll just copy and paste that into there, and then give me the deal. So as you'll see, there's another opportunity for them to share this deal, so they can post to their wall, or alternatively they can just go to the deal. Okay, so I'm back in the admin area, and now I want to show you the detailed stats, because as a marketer you want to know how many clicks you're getting and how many deals are being redeemed and how many fans you're acquiring. So you just have a look at that now. Obviously this is just a demo, so there's not going to be much on here, but just to point out a few things, you can download, if you're using the standard contact form, you can download all those contacts in CSV format and then obviously import them into your autoresponder. We can reset the deal here. We can print out this chart directly from our computer, or we can download the chart in PNG, JPEG, PDF or SVG for use offline. So it's a complete package really. It's all there for you. It's very easy to set up, very easy to change. It'll definitely increase your fan base. It'll help you build your list, and it's a great app. Thanks for watching.